and this tutorial will be on adding an event. So you just go ahead and log in with the information that I sent you in your email. Go up to here, the components menu. You'll want to go down to event list right here. And this is the home page for event list. All you really need to know is right here, events, this button, which will take you to the list of events. As you can see, all the events are listed right here. There's a calendar. All these blue spots are days that events are on, and all of these events are also listed right here. Go up to new to create a new event. Name the event title a demo event. And we have venue here if you happen to know the location of the place. There's only one venue right now, but if you ever need to add a new venue, you can simply go to add. There's a lot of fields right here. The title of the venue, the address, a description of the venue. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to upload an image that represents the venue, you can go ahead and do that there. Note that the maximum size is 100 kilobytes, and that's a pretty small image. So you'd probably need to resize it or save it as a lower quality. I'm not sure what programs you might know to be able to do that with, but the maximum image file size is pretty small. Go ahead and select a category. Right now there's only NKD. We might add some new categories later if we happen to need new categories for certain events. This is the description box. Just like adding an article, you can type all your description here and make it bold if you want, or add a hyperlink. Bullet points. It's just like Microsoft Word, really. There's plenty of things up here. You can align it to the left. You can add numeric bullet points. You can add an image. Image URL, you would need to know the URL of the image. If you wanted to upload an image, however, to the event description, you can go down here and you can upload an image right here. We have emoticons if you wanted to add some emotion, I don't know, to the event. We have aligning. You can align to the center, to the right, I suppose. It's supposed to be right. Yeah, just like that. You can make tables if you needed a table of content. This is probably just like Microsoft Excel. I don't really use this table function very often, but it's there if you need it. Over here to the right is the date and the end date. Go ahead and click the calendar right here. A small calendar will pop up. You can select any day. You can go to each month this way. You can go to years this way. So August 10th, 2012. And the start date. Now, unfortunately, I'm not sure why they did this. This is in military time. So if you wanted 8 in the morning, it would be 8 in the morning. If you wanted 8 at night, it would be 2000 hours. If you wanted 1 in the afternoon, it would be 1300 hours. Military time's not, if you don't know it, it's simply if you have 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you would add 12 hours onto that, which would give you 13. If it was 5 o'clock in the afternoon, you would add 12 hours onto that, which would be 1700 hours. It's a pretty simple concept. If it's 10 o'clock at night, it would be 2200 hours. And then an end time, if there's an end time supplied, if the event is for multiple days, you can always select a date range. And you'd go ahead if you want registration to the event where a person has to log into your account and register for the event if it's for maybe a special group of people or just people who are registered on the NKD website. If you wanted to upload a thumbnail to the news event, you'd go here. You go to upload. You would select your image. This is 100 kilobytes too. Just to remind you, that's a pretty small image. And I'll show you what thumbnails look like. These are some events that I've already done. So the thumbnail, what you would be uploading right here, is what goes right here. If you wanted large images here, that would be done over here. If this was an event that occurred daily, weekly, monthly, however, you know, if there's a occurrence, you can go and select it here, and then go ahead and save your event. And now our event will appear on the home page. A demo event, August 10th, 2012. You can see it's just like I had typed it in the description box. And just like the article blog, there's a column for published and unpublished. So if you didn't want your article to be viewed, but if you want it to be in this table, you can always just unpublish it. And then to delete events, you just click this checkbox and go up to delete. And it's gone. And that's all you need to know on adding an event. If you have any questions, you can give me an email at scrubicus@gmail.com.